What's up everyone, this is Leo with Keyprint Co. and in today's video we're going to be doing a batch order where we're screen printing t-shirts, tote bags, and hats. Let's get into it. Okay, so for this order we're going to do a natural color t-shirt with a left chest pocket print. Then we're going to print some canvas tote bags with a one color print directly in the center. Then we're going to finish off the order by printing some white hats with a one color screen print on the front. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below. Also, give this video a like. It helps us out a lot. You got something out of it. We're all happy. But more importantly, the holidays are coming up. So you definitely want to make sure you're subscribed because we're going to be putting out a ton of different videos on how to customize holiday things. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for joining us. We'll catch you on the next one.